So it's arrived, my new Pepe all-wire rolling mill. I've taken a little bit of the packaging out, but I wanted to just show you me unpackaging it because it is so exciting, so I thought I'd share. So this has travelled all the way from America over to the UK, and it has made it here in one piece. The box is a little bit battered up, but everything inside looks okay. So what's in the box? We've got the handle, which is a beautiful handle, lovely smooth wood. It's the same as the Ultra combo mill that I've also got from Pepe. So yeah, nothing surprising there. Little grub screw to do it in with, and also comes with its own hex key, so Allen key, so we can fit it. Pop that up to one side. And here is the mill, and it is part of the Ultra series rolling mill, and they all come with this sort of tips and tricks little guide, but there's also a load of information on line as well. And Pepe are super helpful, so if you ever need anything from them, or if you've got any problems, you can just get hold of them normally by email or via a message on Instagram, and they come back to you really quickly. Which is really good. So yeah, it shows you where to lift, so it's lifting it underneath the middle section. Now this is really heavy, so I think I might actually knock the video off while I struggle it up onto the bench, and then I'll come back and show you it when I've got it up there. So as you'll see, this beautiful thing is now up on my bench. I've got it bolted down. The way that I do this is I use these little wood screws. I can't think what the name of them is at the moment, but they're really handy. So you just drill a hole the right size, pop these in, and then you can just use a bolt that kind of just screw in, and it's really useful because it means that at a push you can easily take your stuff off your bench and move it around, so that's really handy. So as I said, I've got this bolted down, so the next thing I need to do is put the handle on. So the handle comes in the packaging obviously with it. Gorgeous smooth wood handle, they're really beautiful. It also comes with the little bolt. It comes with the right size Allen key, always handy, and it also comes with, very importantly, this little bit of metal. Don't lose it. You really need this. It's what locates the handle onto the spindle, so you need that. Okay, so let's try and get this put on. Hopefully you can still see this. So first of all, I need to do is just locate this little bit of metal into the handle here, and it does just drop in, and that just helps you to locate the handle. So pop that on, and that just slides in, and it also holds it up, sort of balances it while you're putting the handle on. And then I'm just going to pop that screw in and tighten it up. You don't need it like mega tight, hand tight's enough, so you don't need to use any power tools or anything to tighten this up. So I'm going to tighten it up a little bit. There we go, and that is done. So we have bolted the mill down, we have fixed the handle, we have taken the protective coating off, and have given the rollers a little bit of a wipe because they had a really thick grease on them. Don't need to worry about it, it's not going to hurt metal, but this was particularly greased up, so I've just given that a little bit of a wipe. So you can see the different wire profiles in here. So we've got half round, triangle, bezel, which is really cool, round here, comfort fit, and then square in a load of different sizes. So I'm going to have a play with that in a bit, and I will show you some of the things that I've rolled.